Happy day, students. Let us learn sixth lesson in social studies, our country and our government. As you all know, India is a big country. It is not possible to run the whole country by one government. We have two types of government, central government and state government. Central government. The central government is also known as union government. Central government ke innond hesreno union government. Union means the act of joining together. The central government is also known as union government. It is based in New Delhi, which is the capital of India. Central government ellide New Delhi ellide ಮತ್ತೆ New Delhi is the capital of India. The central government looks after the safety and welfare of the whole country. Central government ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? It looks after the safety and welfare of the whole country. It also makes rules and regulations. The offices of the central government are located in Delhi. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಜನಗಳು ಯಾವ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. The office of the central government are located in Delhi. The government is run by President of India, the Vice President, the Prime Minister, the Cabinet Minister and the officers of India. All of them live and work in Delhi. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೌಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆಫೀಸು? ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇದಲ್ವಾ, ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು? ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್. India is a big country with a large population. So, it is difficult for central government to look after the needs of all people and solve their problems. India is a big country alva, tumba dodda country. So, ella problems go central government ಅವರು ಬಂದು solve ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So, they have divided our country into states. We have 28 states in India. Therefore, India has been divided in smaller parts or states. There are 28 states in our country. Each state has its own government that looks after the needs of its people. It is known as state government. Each state has its own government. It is known as state government. Few rules are also made by the state government for their own state. People living in a particular state choose their own government. The governor, chief minister, other state ministers and senior officers run the government. They work from the state capital. Yediyurappa is the present chief minister of Karnataka. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister of our country. Political division of India. India has been divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. The union territories includes the national capital territory of Delhi. States can be increased by central government. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗಿದೆ? ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಗಿದೆ. ಮುಂಚೆ ಇನ್ 1956 India had only 14 states and 6 union territories. These states were further divided on the basis of language spoken there. 1956 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ 14 states ಇತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ 6 union territories ಇತ್ತು. But at present we have 28 states and 9 union territories. States can be increased by central government. Central government ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ rights ಇದೆ states ಅವರು include ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ. Recent example is a Telangana, a new state out of Andhra Pradesh. Every state has its own capital city. ಮುಂಚೆ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ, ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Initially, Andhra Pradesh was only one state. Now, Telangana is a separate state and Hyderabad is its capital. Union territories. Union territories are smaller than states. They are looked after by the central government. Union territory is also called the National Capital Territory. The largest union territory is Jammu and Kashmir and the smallest one is Lakshadweep. ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟೆರಿಟರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ CM ದೇ ಲುಕ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಅಂತ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟೆರಿಟರೀಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟೆರಿಟರಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೂಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು CM ಆಗಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟೆರಿಟರೀಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ. The largest union territory is Jammu and Kashmir and the smallest one is Lakshadweep. People of India from various fields have made the country proud. Though they belong to different states, they are also known as Indians across the world. They make us proud as a part of one big family, India. We should be proud of our country, India. We should always be proud of our country, India. Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Goa is the smallest state in India. Union territories are smaller than states. They are looked after by the central government. Our ನೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅವರ್ ನೇಬರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಫ್ಘಾನಿಸ್ತಾನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಯನ್ಮಾರ್ ಇನ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಚೈನಾ ಇನ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್, Nepal and Bhutan in north, and Sri Lanka in the south. The central government is also known as union government. The central government looks after the safety and welfare of the whole country. It also makes laws and rules. The offices of central government are located in Delhi. Each state has its own government that looks after the needs of its people. This is known as state government. India has been divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. The union territories includes the National Capital Territory, Delhi. The Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state. Union territories are smaller than states. The largest union territory is Jammu and Kashmir. The smallest union territory is Lakshadweep. Our neighboring countries are Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west, Bangladesh and Myanmar in east, China in northeast, Nepal and Bhutan in north, and Sri Lanka in the south. Government. What is a government? A group of people governing or administrating the country or state. Thank you, students.